Good evening, campers, it's me, Kieran. Have you wanted to delve into literary criticism but have no idea where to start? As a TLDR, in this video I'm going to recommend you Peter Barry's Beginning Theory. This is the only book that I would recommend anyone who wants to get a baseline understanding into literary criticism, and I have used this book throughout my university studies. I used it within my undergraduate, I used it within my masters, and I revisited it for my PhD. This is the book to get. I'm going to be as transparent as possible here. In relation to my comprehensive guide to literary criticism, I am going to be giving you the foundation which this book will build upon. So if you're interested in a particular aspect that I talk about, you're going to find more information within this book. But before we talk about this specific book, if you want to know what is literary criticism, I've done a video on that and I will link it at the top of the description. Within that video I give you some context on what is literary criticism, what it strives to do, and how readers should implement it within their reading. Peter Barry's Beginning Theory provides an easy gateway into the somewhat astute world of literary criticism. It is simple, yet it is effective, it is concise without lacking any depth. And that is why I love and recommend this book, because it appeals to the general reading populace alongside students of English literature. Beginning Theory has helped people navigate through the thickets of literary criticism, and in fact this is the 4th edition, but if you can't obtain the 4th edition, the 1st, 2nd and 3rd are equally valuable, and I know because I've had them. This edition, along with the ones prior, have the key approaches to literary criticism. I am aware when you start talking about criticism that people start to panic about cost. Doing a search now, you can get a second-hand copy of the 4th edition for about £4, and this brand spanking new copy that I bought on Amazon only cost me £12. So its cost is in the ballpark of a standard book, and I'm assuming if you're looking to get this, you buy books. Barry's Beginning Theory has been around for over 2 decades, so this is widely available. Again, I've used this throughout my time in academia, and I think it's vitally important if you want a baseline, solid foundation on literary criticism. This is the book. Nevertheless, if you have any questions in regards to Beginning Theory, please ask them down below, or if you have any suggestions of what you would like me to cover within this comprehensive guide to literary criticism, again, let me know in the comments.